Let me just talk about it just a little bit. Again, eating Telendaba. Let's just forget about whatever that we saw and Lendo Lesis really. Let's just talk about Lendaba. This is so heartbreaking, but as a spiritual man, sekhona la ngifisa ukunibhulela khona ama-file ukuthi how do you get to this stage? Ngifuna ukuni-understandisa ukuthi lento umuntu ufika kanjani kuyona. I want to make you understand today because ngiyazi ukuthi lento abanye abantu bacabanga ukuthi hayi manga lento into engekho. Okay, kungenzeka ukuthi mhlambe a story that has been made up, but futhi kungenzeka ukuthi it's a truth story. And khona into engifisa ukuthi nginikhumbuze yona. There was once an incident yosisi owaya kwi-channel ethile wayo disclosure ukuthi uke wavelelwa inkinga whereby laphana walala nomuntu waseZimbabwe for isikhathi eside wazala ingane entathu if I can recall. Uma ngabe sehamba eseya eZimbabwe ethi uyobona kubo babo ingane bafe bathi hayibo lo muntu okhuluma ngaye kade ashona. Samncwaba kudala ngama-90s waba buhlungu lwasisi because umuntu ade mthinta elala naye every day kanti umuntu onga-exist. I want to tell you a danger of dating a foreigner, how one day you'll be in danger. Laba bantu bale eZimbabwe noma eNigeria noma bako Maputo noma kuphi, they are too good lezinto lezi as spiritual too much, more especially lezi witchcraft nalezi zemali nani. Most of ama foreigners nabantu othola ukuthi bayasebenza la bangomakhenika bayina, they are not real human beings. So I want to explain this, how do you get to those. Kunalokhu even eBhayibhelini kuthiwa ama-fallen angels. They are not real human beings. Yes, you can meet with them, you can touch them, shake hands with them, sleep with them, have sex with them, but they are not human beings. They are made beings. Let me talk about fallen angels. This thing, Yama fallen angels, you are going to understand it tonight, and it's very painful. Yama fallen angels. Let me get deep to it. I know somebody is not ready to hear this, but I have to let you know this. Agbona bantu, most of them, they are spirit beings that are created by Bona Abanbase Nigeria, by Bona Abanbase Benin, and this is deep because then we understand until you become a spiritual man. Now we understand. Ngiyakutshela mina, take it to yonke inyanga noma emthatha umusa enyangeni yase Nigeria noma angeke izimsize ngeke imlekelele. The soul is taken long time, and remember, once you sell your soul you'll never get it back. That's why noma ubamba cell phone mawukhuluma nabantu bangaphandle, it's not good to always say yes to whatever that they are saying because they can trap your soul into a jar or anything ngale ngathi ulibele uthi yes. That's why akufanelanga ube uvuma zonke. Mina mawukhuluma ngithi the reason why I do that is because I'm avoiding me saying yes. I don't want to say that. I don't. And many people, they don't understand why I always say because angifuni ukuthi yes. Angikhulume ngalento le. Let me talk about this. So, abantu abaningi, even today, most ladies, they cannot have a job. They cannot have visible. Some of you, you are really in this life, but are born, you live and die without having a job, without having money in your hands, without having a house, without having anything, because usulale now, lama fallen angels. Lama fallen angels, they are very dangerous. Are dangerous, ama fallen angels. Once they have found you, you are not going to escape. How do you get to this? This becomes like an initiation. The time ulala nae, and most of them, they love the rough sex, and they have a dick that is too much abnormal than the normal one. And that's why yona igcinisikili maza kanti vele idinga leliya gazi for a sacrifice, because it's sexy by a sacrifice. yabona ke manje sengifuna ukukhuluma ngezinto edip. Oh, that's lento yohamba ulala igcina ikulahle kusela ngeglory yakho. That's why I always talk with people like iyafana lento nama aliens, but they are not real aliens, but they are like aliens. They are like human beings, but they are not human beings. Yes, they are spirit, they look as human beings, but they are here for a ritual. That's why isikhathi esiningi mawulala nabo labantu bangaphandle usala namaphunga amabi angalapheki uphathwa izinto eziningi ngaphansi esinyeni sakho nasesibelethweni. Why? It is because these things vele they are ritual, they are taking something from you. Bakhona abantu besifazane abaphila nesmell even today banukiso kwezinja ngathi nje feel yes ukuthi lo muntu lona uphile ngathi unenje feel ngaphakathi. So ngivumela ukuthi ngichazele ukuthi what really happened in the story of uSisi. I can share with you how does this happen. Uyabona yena uthola ukuthi yena this thing that is called a fallen angel ahlangane nayo wametha nayo bekungayena umuntu real. Bekuyiyo lento engikhuluma ngayo kuthiwa i-fallen angel. Lento yakhona ukuthi uma uqeda kulala nomuntu imbulala ubuyena ishiye lo mdala ophuma ethuneni mesiyahamba yona. Yabona njengoba kanje uthothi isalukwazi lesi esasivusiwe saba umkhovu and sona sesiphila kule shell kaSisi and sona kuyasho ukuthi akusasi umuntu existayo. Asikho isangoma ayikho inyanga akekho umfundiso ozokhona ukulapha lo sisi akekho. The only thing efanele athazenzele yona ukuyirepentela alindele usuku lakhe because akekho umuntu ongamsetha free from this. If you think I'm lying or joking, lento ngiyazi ngeke ifike kahle mangathi ivideo ibonwa amalungu omndeni, but there is absolutely no one who can be able to help. That's why mangabe bekutshela before time is over, pay attention. Siyazi ukuthi ulele nayo uAbdul and uHappy, but pay attention. It might never be a human being lo naye lapha endlini. Noma ungaba naye nabantwana abathathu nani, but it might not be a human being. Kanjengomama ungathi uthi nomama lokade ephuma la ethi nginengane neNigeria konke kuyaphela imoto omile nani. Most of them they can have materials, hotels and everything, but the day kuhamba bona, that's the day when uzosala nje